So in 2023, I thought I made it. I went all in again with all my savings, a loan from my wife, a loan from my father. I sold my car and I borrowed my wife's car just to have a flagship store and not only be physically online, but also offline. But I grew too big too fast and I almost lost it all. Not once, not twice, three times. So it turns out growth without control is just another word for chaos. I didn't know how to tell my wife that we're on the verge of shutting down. So how do I take it from here and rebuild?